Are you over 50 and waking up with stiff joints, low energy, or a foggy mind? This 2-minute guide will show you the one daily habit that can help you feel stronger, sharper, and more mobile starting tomorrow morning. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle and flexibility, but that doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, studies show that a consistent morning routine can significantly boost circulation, reduce stiffness, and improve balance. Here's a simple 10-minute morning routine you can follow, but we'll give it to you in under 2 minutes. Start with gentle stretching for 2 minutes. Target your neck, shoulders, back, and hamstrings. This helps loosen tight muscles and prepares your body for the day. March in place for 2 minutes. It sounds basic, but this wakes up your cardiovascular system and boosts coordination wall push-ups or chair squats for 2 minutes. These maintain strength in your upper body and legs without pressure on your joints. Deep breathing for 1 to 2 minutes. Sit comfortably and take deep belly breaths. This helps oxygenate your body and lowers cortisol. Don't underestimate the power of small habits. Doing this each morning can help you maintain independence, avoid falls, and boost mental clarity. Hit like if you're starting tomorrow, and subscribe for more simple routines that keep your body young and mind sharp.